Good morning vlog. It is just past noon on July 8th and I'm going to work. I work from 1 to 8 today at the main park and it's a Friday, so it should be fairly busy, which I'm excited for. Last night I watched Harry Potter 7 Part 2 because I'm on like a Harry Potter craze. It'll die down, I promise. But oh my god, I just let myself feel everything and I was like sobbing alone in my room watching that movie. Oh man, it was rough. It is now 4 o'clock. I am on my break. My shift has been rather slow, but I'm getting a lot of reading done and I'm almost done with the second Harry Potter. I am going to town to go to the grocery store because I need food and I didn't pack any and I have none left. So I am going to probably buy some Lunchables and granola bars. I'm back in the booth. I went to the grocery store and I got one of these, and one of these. So I'm very happy for my lunch.
And I walked into your valley, and I wanted to stay there for a while, to stay. Love you in your garden, and dig for the river to run my way. I woke in the vines that you tied in, a child throwing back your city lives behind me. Do I try to stay, leave my life behind the gate?
So I'm in my booth. Oh, it's raining now. Oh, it's raining now. That is sweeping that way. It's crazy. My entire booth is shaking. I don't know if you guys can see how dark that cloud is, but I am in here until I'm told to leave. So it's also starting to rain. I don't know if you can see that, but the cloud, that dark cloud is moving so fast. Actually looks pretty cool. If that wasn't in a metal box, I'd be thrilled. Cool, cool, cool. So I heard some thunder, saw some lightning, called the office. Now I get to go inside. I locked up the booth and it is raining hard. Oh man. The rain is so cold and the pavement was so hot from today that like steam is rising from the ground. It looks pretty spooky, but pretty cool. Anyway, I am on my way home. Happy day for me. It's just past 7 and going home an hour early. Pretty good. Wow. See where I was. Da-na.